feel like unboxing these bad boys. I won these on a SNKRS PASS. There'll be a clip either to my left or to my right. But if you couldn't tell already by the thumbnail and the title of the video, which is going to be some clickbait, I won these Air Jordan 1 Satins. They came women's only in the bread colorway. It's an absolutely beautiful sneaker with shitty leather, but you know how that goes for Nike. The sneaker retailed for about $160. The sneaker retailed for about $160. It was like $175 after New York State tax. These were actually very limited when it came down to the Nike supplier, but they were in every single foot sites, and most people could actually cop manual. Unless you're my friend Andrew, you could just cop 10 pairs like it's nothing. Shout out to you. Nothing special about the sneaker besides the fact that it has a satin material in the back, and that's about it. It has no other accents to it at all. Like at least on the shattered backboards, it was on the toe box, but this, we just have crappy leather all around. This sneaker already came with a flaw in the back, but thankfully I already sold this pair, so it's none of my business anymore. It has a metallic wing logo on the side instead of the basic embroidered one on the sneaker. There's nothing much else to say about the sneaker besides the fact that it women's only. It's reselling for about $600 right now in the size 7.5 that I copped. The bigger sizes, like size 11.5, which was the biggest size they did, we're just going for about $1,000 right now. You get like $900 after fees. For this size, you get like $530 after fees. Stock X fees, that is. But yeah, overall, I was a fan of the sneakers. I copped this on my girl size. She ended up not wanting the sneakers, so like I said before, I sold them. But she can't ever say I don't do anything nice for her, right?